everyone, welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a jewelry dish for Mother's Day or for any other occasions. First you'll need some oven baked clay, any color will work, and epoxy so you can put it inside the plate and decorate it. Now let's get started. I got the clay out of the package and now it's time to knead it. The clay may be hard at first, but it'll get softer the more you use it. I'll stretch it out so it becomes a dish. More beautiful, I'm going to shape it into a heart shape. Like this. Make sure to make the edges tall so you have space to put the epoxy. Now that I put it in the oven, time to bake it for 15 minutes at 275 Fahrenheit. Now, after 15 minutes in the oven, it's dry. First, put the decorations inside. I'm trying to be very careful since these flowers are very delicate. Now, time to add epoxy and time to mix. And it's also time to add the food coloring. Well, not really food coloring, just dye. I'm trying not to add as much so you can see the flowers at the bottom. Once you think the epoxy is well mixed, add it in. Don't fill epoxy to the top because then you don't have space for the jewelry. Next step is to wait for the epoxy to after resting for overnight is ready to use. I can put my rings in there and this one. And now it's a jewelry dish. I hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!